Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I want to do a little more practice with the double fire rolling technique today. Here's some grass that I just pulled up out of the lawn. Let's see if it works on grass. Be looking on the table now to see how much moisture is coming out of this first fire roll. A little bit of steam came out. And I'm thinking this is also steam. Let's let as much moisture dissipate as possible. All right, now let's fire roll this driest part right here. Not a great piece of cotton there. We'll try to work with it. I doubled it over, roll it up good and tight. Let's see if there's anything to this double fire rolling technique. That could just be steam. We'll have to wait and see if it ignited. Looks like an ignition. Let's give it a chance to build a little bit. Well, good. As far as I'm concerned, the double fire rolling technique has proven itself. With yesterday's ignition of very green bull thistle and today's ignition of dew-soaked grass. We'll try to loosen it up a little bit so the ember can spread better. I like to get that fine powder all around surrounding that ember. All right, y'all. Do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.